When you've just spent hours working on pieces of furniture, you want them to look as good as possible when you finish them. Today I'm going to stain these two tops, and I've been wondering, will a wood conditioner help that stain to look better? Today on DIY Man, we're going to find out just that. To give a good test today, these two tops are cut out of the same board. I want to test out a wood conditioner on this coffee table. Then I'm just going to stain the top of this piece without anything. We're going to see if this stuff actually works and if it's worth buying this pre-stain from Minwax. Before we get started, let's go ahead and wipe off all the sawdust, or man glitter if you prefer it. Now I'll just spread this over the surface of our table and then let it sit for 5 to 15 minutes. To stain this top, I'm going to use a provincial stain by Minwax and just a clean sock. At least I think it's clean. Yeah, it's clean. Now I'll stain the top of this coffee table with the same stain and the same sock. Okay, so after one coat, I'm already noticing a pretty big difference in these two pieces. The one with the pre-stain or conditioner, it's actually a lot lighter than this one over here. And this one seems to be a little bit more blotchy. This one is darker, and so maybe if you like that or the blotchy look, that might be beneficial. But even after the first one, I can notice a huge difference. Now, I will say, there are some areas where I put a little bit more stain on it, and you can see like a dark area here. But I'm going to try to get that out with another coat of stain. Okay, so after the second coat of stain, I went over it with a really light coat, and some of this blotchiness kind of went away on this piece. And you can tell this one looks way better. There's no blotchiness that I can see, and the stain is pretty smooth. Over here, I put another coat of stain on the top, and it's still pretty blotchy. Like I said, if you like that weathered look, maybe this is the way to go, but overall, I'm pretty impressed with that conditioner. I may be doing this on a lot of my future projects. Don't go away yet. Let's put a clear coat on this and make sure nothing changes. This is a Polycrylic from Minwax. One of my subscribers suggested that I try this out, and I really like it. It has a much more natural look to it than traditional polyurethane. Now with the clear coat, you can see that this conditioner did a really good job. I can't believe I've never used this stuff before. If you prefer a rustic or weathered look, you might prefer staining without the use of this conditioner. But if you want to get rid of that blotchiness, this stuff is definitely the way to go. I know I'm definitely going to be using this on a lot of my future projects. So overall today, I'm going to give this pre-stain by Minwax an A+. To be honest, I really wasn't expecting this stuff to do anything. If you don't believe me, try it out for yourself. I'll throw a link in the description. Don't forget to hit that like button for me if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.